In this video, I'll show you how to use our new feature, English Reader, now available with the digital archive of Iskusstvo Kino, the leading Soviet and Russian film journal. Iskusstvo Kino, which means the art of cinema, has been fully digitized by Eastview, all the way back to its very first issue in 1931. This legendary publication features critical reviews, in-depth analysis, and scholarly articles covering both domestic and international films, film theory and history, and the broader world of Russian arts and culture. Until now, access to this resource has been limited, since the journal was published in Russian. That meant only Russian speakers could truly take advantage of it. But that's changed. With our new add-on service, English Reader, anyone can search and read the entire archive in English. Let me show you how it works. Here's the Iskusstvo Kino archive. You can select a year and an issue. Or, if you prefer, start by searching in English. Let's search for Tarkovsky, the Soviet film director, and add Jim Jarmusch to the search. This will find articles mentioning both Tarkovsky and Jarmusch, searching across the entire archive. We found 32 articles that mention both names. Let's click on the first result from 2010. Here's the English text of the article. You can see Jarmusch's name is highlighted, and a little further down, here's Tarkovsky. The article is by Boris Lokshin, a well-known Russian film critic. Switching between languages is simple. You can go back and forth between Russian and English at any time. You'll also notice a note that reminds users this is a machine translation, and for citations, you should use the original text. Let's try another search, this time for Marlon Brando. The archive found 180 articles mentioning Brando. Clicking on the first article opens the English translation right away. Besides search, you can also browse the archive by issue and read any article in English using the English Reader. Here's how. First, pick a year. Then, select an issue. You'll see the table of contents, which is in Russian by default, but just click the English tab and view it in English. Let's open this article by Kira Muratova. And yes, you can read the whole thing in English now. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions or if you'd like to try out English Reader for yourself, just send us an email at info@eastview.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.